Hey everyone, I'm Lori Harder and I'm at DKW Styling Salon and I just got a fresh set of NBR. What I love about wearing hair extensions is the diversity of different hairstyles that I can do because I am always speaking or on camera, and it's so much fun to have the ability to wear my hair in so many different ways. What I noticed about my confidence when I started wearing NBR was that I could go about my normal life of working out, wake surfing, swimming, doing all of these different activities and not ever having to worry if someone is seeing my hair extensions. Wearing NBR saves me so much time because the first thing that I notice is how long my hair holds a style. And so throughout the whole week, instead of having to always wash and blow dry, I find that I'm really just touching up with my curling iron a little bit here and there because I lead a really active lifestyle. Okay, so if I had to maintain one, lashes, spray tan, or hair extensions. Well, I've totally done this because I've gotten so busy that the only one that I can truly maintain is hair extensions, and I also can't make them look this good myself. The energy of all of the people is so beautiful and so positive. I always leave feeling better and having really incredible uplifted conversations, and I love the quality of the hair. I feel like it's the lightest while still being the thickest and really being able to maintain your style.